Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin in PayPal. So if you guys don't know what Bitcoin is a digital currency also known as cryptocurrency in another word, and it is the top performing cryptocurrency. So yeah, Bitcoin is pretty famous. You guys might have heard about it, and PayPal has brought a new update where you guys can trade cryptocurrency, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So first you want to go to this website called paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal, alright? So once you come to this website, first it's going to ask you to log in into your account. But if you guys have already logged in into your account, then it's going to bring you straight to this interface over here. But to come to this interface first, you need to log in into your account, alright? So once you come to this interface, what you want to do is click on where it says crypto over here. You want to click on crypto, which is the crypto section of, PayPal. So this is the new section over here. If you're on phone and you guys don't see that, then basically you need to update your PayPal, alright? So make sure to update your PayPal if you don't see the crypto section. But if you're on the website, you can like directly come over here. So these are the, cryptocurrency which PayPal allows you to, trade on. So we want to, buy Bitcoin. So we're going to click on Bitcoin. And it's going to show you the current price of Bitcoin, which is 34k. And if you want to buy over here, it shows you $10, $2,500, $200. You want to choose which one you want to buy. Once you click on it, you want to click on where it says buy. And it says let's confirm some info before you buy. You want to click on continue, and it's going to ask you for some information before you dive into buying that stuff. So you want to click on agree and continue. And after doing that, you want to scroll down, click on agree and continue again. And basically you're going to be buying Bitcoin. So after you come over here, you want to confirm this information of yours. So after confirming your information, you can click on submit, and after filling up this form and clicking on submit, you will be able to buy and sell Bitcoin and trade on cryptocurrency. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin on PayPal. But if you guys have already confirmed this information, then you don't have to go through all this stuff. You just basically you want to go to the crypto section. After you go on crypto section, you want to choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and click on buy. Then it's going to ask you for your PIN and other payment method verification, and basically you just bought a Bitcoin. That's basically how it works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.